Today I'm going to be making deep fried mushrooms, and this is a really simple recipe but really delicious. So let's go over the ingredients. I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some breadcrumbs, and I'm using Italian breadcrumbs here, and also some mushrooms. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, our first step, I'm just going to take my mushrooms and I'm just going to cut them in half, just like that. You can quarter them if you wish. I like mine a little larger, but just cut them down like that. That's perfect. Alright, perfect. Now we're going to move on to the batter. Alright, we'll get our all-purpose flour in there and all of our other ingredients. There we go. Just like that. Give that a little stir. And then I'm just going to add in our water. Very simple batter. And I'm just going to give that a stir. And that's it for our batter. It's thickening up now. I can smell all the nice spices. That smells really good. And feel free to add any other spices that you want. If you want to mix this up and add your own different spices, that's totally fine. This is the way I do it. There are many different types of batter that you can do. So there we go, perfect. So I'm gonna go grab my deep fryer. I'm gonna set that up and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I have my oil all ready to go. My fryer is hot. I'm just gonna grab my mushrooms just like that. You wanna just coat them nicely in the batter. Then right into your Italian breadcrumbs. That's what I'm using today. And you're basically just gonna coat them just like that. So I'll get one ready to go, like that. And another one. Right into the breadcrumbs. Make sure they're nicely coated. Just like that. Okay, so you get the idea. So I'm just gonna whip through these and I'll come back when I've done a few. Okay, I'll do last one for this video. I've done quite a few here already. I'll just nicely coat it. And into our Italian breadcrumbs. Just like that. And the cayenne pepper in this recipe is going to give a nice little kick to these. You're going to get a nice little, nice, very hot little bite when you bite into that. So there we go, perfect. So there we have them, and now they are ready for the fryer. And then we'll just get them in there like that. I'm going to do, how many have I got there? 5 of them. So I'm going to pop these in, and we'll fry those up. So I'm just getting my drip tray ready here. I have a timer on for 2 minutes. One thing that you want to keep aware of is that any longer than 2 minutes with mushrooms and they will start getting really mushy on the inside. And my timer just went off. So there we go. So I'm just going to get these out. Oh, and they look really good. I do these all the time, and 2 minutes seems to be the magic number. If you do them for 3 minutes, what's going to happen, the moisture inside the mushroom is going to really come out, and when you bite into it, you're going to get a very mushy bite. So you really want to keep within that 2-minute mark. So I'll just do the rest of these. We'll pop these ones in. We'll get these going. So there we go. I'll put my timer on for another 2 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to let these fry up and I'll be back when I'm about to pull them out. There we go. So that was my timer for 2 minutes. So I'm just going to take these out now. And oh, these look super, super, super nice. I can tell already, going to be very, very nice and crunchy on the outside. So there we go. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to zoom in so that you can see these a little bit better. Okay, I just zoomed in and I just wanted to show you how nice these are. Can you hear the crunch on those? Oh, look at that. And these are very hot still. But there we go. My deep fried crunchy mushrooms. Yum. Let me just get a knife and I'll cut into one of these for you. Look at that. And perfect inside. Not mushy at all. Oh, nice crunch. I think that was from my first batch. Let's just cut into that one. Hear that crunch? And there we go. Perfect. So those are my deep fried mushrooms. Really, really crunchy. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Oh, that is good.